Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the ring alarm tone on the Nokia 105. So if you have the alarm key here, press this. If not, come back out to the main menu and press the main menu button here, and then come up to the clock and then come down to alarm tone. It's the same way if you press the button here, alarm, it'll be in the same place, alarm tone here. It's currently set to standard, so let's go into that. And you can have the standard alarm tone, or you can come down and select ringtone. So press OK on that. Once you're happy with the ringtone, press the middle button. And now that new ringtone will be set for the alarm. So that is how to change the alarm tone on the Nokia 105. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe,